As you guys can see in the background there, we got our beef hanging up. So there's the front quarter there, other front quarter, and then there's the two back quarters there. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're done the one back quarter. What did we get? 6 packages of steaks?
Yeah, 8 roasts.
And then looks like maybe what? 2 dozen pounds of burger? And then yeah, a couple of pounds of stewing meat. So anyway, we're getting there. Doing a little review here on this meat grinder we got from Cabela's. It's a Cabela's Carnivore. It is the 1 horsepower model. It comes with the reverse option. I think the 3/4 horsepower, it doesn't come with the reverse option, so that's why we opted up to the 1 horsepower. Anyway, it comes with this little freezer pack, and then it also comes with 2 sizes of blades. It also comes with the stuffers for doing sausage. It comes with a metal tray, but we don't usually use the metal tray, but comes with the tray for on top. Comes with the plunger, a little drawer underneath that has the other blade sizes, so obviously we're running the smaller of the 2. It's just got some tools in there. But this ice pack is really nice. Keeps the throat of the grinder almost freezing. So as you put your meat in, the heat from the motor isn't being transferred into the throat. So as long as you remember to put the ice pack in the freezer the night before, it just straps on. There's a little strap on top, so it just cups up underneath. Keeps your meat nice and cold coming out. And yeah, super easy. It's got a really nice quick connect screw on the side. Everything's large on it for tightening and loosening. Yeah, anyway, we got this off of Cabela's .ca. I think it was $450 on sale, regular $550. Anyway, it was $100 off. So when we picked it up, but they usually go on sale about 2-3 times a year. Yeah, so anyway, that's the grinder.
There was a bar bag somewhere on that edge there.
Alright guys, as you can see we got the freezer open in the background there. I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of the numbers here on that beef that we just did. We got 153 pounds of burger. We got 26 packs of roasts at 2 to 3 pounds per roast, which ends up being about 65 pounds. 28 packs of steaks at 1.5 pounds each, 42 pounds total of steaks. 6 bags of stew meat at about 1 pound each, so 6 pounds. So off of a 1-year-old steer, we ended up with 321 pounds of 100% meat, no bone, totally deboned. So not bad. So just gonna show you here. This is how we do our bags of burger. Yeah, we had the kids writing the date on them, so it looks a little bit weird, but do a good job. So that's for 2020. So pretty much this freezer, which is, I'd say 2.5 feet tall, all of this over here is burger, and then we've got other groceries. Those were hunting season. There's a bag of stew meat, and there's some steaks, and then roast down in there, more stew meat here. But yeah, all in all, I'd say we made out pretty good. In this freezer we have our pork, so there's some roasts. We've got our homemade sausage. This is more pork burger that once we run out of sausage we will take and make into more sausage links. We got a shelf here full of whole chickens, and then down below some more pork roasts, and in behind there's some like frozen strawberries, frozen tomatoes there. We got corn, and then this is just a bunch of pork for pulled pork, and yeah, then we got all of our frozen beans, freezer jam, and more corn. In here is our cold room. So these are our potatoes. Those are actually Dad's potatoes there. And then all of Jess's preserves. So we got strawberry jam. We've got blackberry on the left, apple, choke cherry, raspberry. I think that's like a rhubarb. Then we've got salsa and peaches, sweet pickles, pickled beets, more pickled beets, more just dill pickles, pickled beans, lots of relish. I love homemade relish. Some tomatoes for tomato sauce, more pickles. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. So if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button, that'd be great. Helps us out lots. Till next time guys, ciao.